Привітання, хлопчики і дівчини веселушки, з вами знову Михась. Сьогодні у нас понеділок, і ми будемо гуляти у GTA 5, рихтуватися до GTA 6. У нас одразу все зламалося. Зараз мусить бути файно. І ми починаємо. Напишите колевасочку, как мы будем это робить, по-тихому, типа громкому. Обновление вышло, довольно. Ничего себе. Витанки, Леха, як у тебя справа? Мы сегодня, хотя может не поспеем. Мусим поспеть, подается, не шмат за 108. Хотя там есть какая-то миссия. Мне подается, мусим поспеть обрабовать ее великую, поглядим. Я ее проходил у 2016 году. Да бог, коли это было, 10 годов тому назад, я ничего не память. Так, мы сбегались. Мы сбегались поехать у это самое. Магазин будку, я вспомнил. Бощин магазин будку. Зараз ми його зайдемо. Так, тоді я не пам'ятаю, яку там кнопку мені треба натискати. Ось это. Кабовой стил ввели у магазина будку. Ну да. Вот он магазин обутку. Ах, это вот она продает обуток, да? Який файний обуток вона продає. Так, добре. Сапожки бачили, які є там? Я його все заблюк. Не ведаю, що здарилося. Гэта випадково. А що не біг?
Is that steaming pile of shit a present for not training you?
Стамина 60. Леха, ти пам'ятаєш, як ти здесь був на льотною велику, коли гуляв? Що ви так орете? Не пам'ятаєш. А як хочеш по-громкому чи по-тихому?
I mean, what the hell going on here?
Wait a minute, Franklin, what
Що
are
тут
you
відбувається?
doing here?
I live here. This half my house too.
So you say? Anyway, Magenta is reinvigorating my femininity. So make yourself scarce, boy. Go. Go.
With pleasure.
Go.
Goodness.
And stay out of trouble.
Давай
Yeah,
громко.
yeah.
Bitch, you ain't no more of a man than me.
I hear that.
Gangster shit, nigga. Look who's bizarre.
What's up,
What's happening
fool?
with it, man?
О, прийшов это книжник, який слово книга каже кожні 5 слов.
They couldn't hold down his back. Come on now. Damn, man. I gotta spend my day with another middle-aged fool trying to recapture his youth.
Начитане, напевно.
Just say I missed you, dawg. Oh, you miss me, huh? Nah, I ain't missed you. Your ass could have stayed gone for good. So I fucked your girl, mugged your moms, and better yet, I ain't thought about your ass in years.
Ha ha. You got jokes now, huh? Hey, but I see you doing well for yourself. Check that on out.
Shit, I'm doing just fine.
That's what I hear. But I know some sweet boys up in the pen that got bigger balls than
You
you.
been doing your time looking at sweet boy balls?
Oh.
Yeah, it's good to have confirmation.
This funny fuck. Why you keep hanging around this clown, L? Shake this fool,
We
man.
from the same set, Stretch. Why y'all niggas can't get along? Y'all been doing this shit for years, man.
You know what, dawg? It's good you back home.
Каже,
Glad you
покинуть
here.
книги у одиночі.
You definitely got hit up inside.
Hit up.
Hey.
Yo, motherfucker, I know little niggas like you been turned out on the daily. Talking about being hit up, nigga. I swear, man. You ain't got no motherfucking respect.
Motherfucker, I got respect for reality.
Reality? Alright, you keep thinking that. Just keep thinking that, nigga. Shit, you gon' get yours. Fuck you.
Я буду просто читать субтитры, меня забанят, да?
Fuck,
Chill,
man.
man.
This motherfucker get on my goddamn
The
nerves.
nigga get on my nerves too, man. But part of the nigga charm, man. F, come on, man. Let's just bust a move, man. You gonna drive or what, pimp?
Drive where?
Pick up this heat, nigga.
Why?
Business, nigga. Real business. Come on, y'all niggas act like girls. Shit.
Да, ось эту миссию я пам'ятаю. Там в
Ammunition,
конце
come on, let's
от
go.
вертолета треба уходить. Так, до амуниции. Это лепше бегать.
Shit, homie. You gonna drop all that bread on that gear, you might as well get a haircut too.
Fucking crazy haired microphone motherfucker.
I got a microphone I can shove right in your prison pocket. Nigga, you walk like you keister and shit anyway.
Що машина не едет? Помощнее машины не было.
Now I'm out, and you little homies is big homies. But you still gotta respect.
Man, what the fuck this nigga talking about?
We all big homies, but he bigger, right? Soon as we get this shit, as soon as we get paid, homie.
Soon as we get incarcerated, more likely.
Так, зараз треба шротник набити мені.
Ammunition, armorer to the stars.
Hey, what's up, man?
Firing range is in the back, and all our weapons are customizable.
Oh, hell yeah. You can trick your blam blam out up in here.
Quit all that. Just straight up artillery, man, alright?
Don't y'all shut the fuck up. I got this, you clowns.
Ooh, homie, get the shotty with the flashlight on.
Why the fuck am I the only one buying this?
Cause we got sheets, homie. Now shut the fuck up and come on.
Калошик 1400.
We ain't window shopping.
That's the nigga. Now put a flashlight on that bitch.
Now just let me reinstate, man, that the purchases made by this man ain't got nothing to do with the two gentlemen of felon nature.
That's right.
Сопрессор.
Yeah.
Ого, 42
Now
тысячи.
let's go bust on some niggas.
Это просто скинчики, да? Ну, супрессор мені не треба. Навіщо на шротники супрессор? Для 5000 усього у мені. Бля, як він йобічно виглядає з цим поширеним. Скоп. Сопрессор. Да, гриб все дає. Трошки більше куренці. Да ні, не треба нам. На это можно сопрессор повесили, уже грошей нема.
Man, we got some recycling to do. Come on, man. Send her off friends in La
Что еще
Puerta.
есть? Пистяки есть. Вот, затагались. Все, уже есть сброя у нас, короче, можно. Не что робить. Куда мы едем?
You got some cans on some shit I don't know about?
Nah, homie. We got ourselves a drug deal.
Why do I get the feeling this gonna be one of
Чел на
them
червоний
deals
став,
type
ти дурний?
situations?
Или Тимолдупу не уехал?
Negative attitude Lamar was telling me about.
Кто ж на червоный коле останавливается?
The power of positive bullshit. You ought to be clenching your motherfucking vagina muscles with my aunt, nigga.
After his bid, it probably needs tightening up.
This ain't new age shit. It's fact. You get what you give, fool.
You been getting dick, but you ain't giving it, huh?
Some Mark talk like that to an OG. CGF has changed, man. No wonder the hood is so
Коли все
lame right
буде
now.
добре з працею, то буду набувати на старті.
Nah.
Сподіваюся, з працею все буде добре.
It's nothing, my nigga, nothing, you know. Just some,
Hey, be easy, man.
just some
А я
ideas.
могу на
that's all.
катунейку в Тавсаду
Ideas
заехать
ain't your
теперь?
strong suit, so put it on me.
It's nothing real, homie. When it's something real, we'll talk.
Bullshit, man. It's realer than this crap. Bitch ass bullshit.
All right, homie, we meeting in here.
На крышу треба лезть? На дах? Ні. Не на дах, а куди туди? Внутрь?
Man, how'd you find this place?
The homie set it up.
This the kind of spot where we ain't gonna be disturbed.
That's what the fuck worries me. I'm more of a hide in the plain sight type of nigga.
Онлайн працюєш?
We got that shit, nigga.
Ну, так это онлайн працював.
Buku,
Зараз не працює.
What's up, boy? Everything cool? Hold on, man. What the fuck?
На
man? You
удаленке
just
был.
kidnapping this nigga.
Oh, come on, dog. Don't real recognize real.
D, my nigga, just got out crossing lines.
Это
did
босс
some
некий,
conversation
да?
your fault.
Hey, look, this ain't about you, man.
What?
You know these niggas done
Yo, what the fuck
up.
this trick talking about, man?
Yeah,
What's that?
yeah.
Somebody
See,
creeping on
they
us?
putting a nigga on TV, man, about some gang intervention shit.
Hey, this ain't the police, dog. This some ballers bullshit.
Nigga, that's some
man.
bullshit.
Fuck you.
What's up with
Hey,
this
we been
ball?
set up, nigga. This shit fucked up.
you,
Fuck
nigga.
Да, да выпендривался.
We doing this or what? Come on. That fucking team set us up.
I said lay low after you got clocked.
You lay low, motherfucker. That ain't me.
I can see that.
Where that last dude at? Shit. Never trust the
Братишка, что ты устал?
Trust you is the
Ты
lesson
устал
I'm taking
одразу
away
передо
from
мной
this
все перед моим целиком. И он, это самое, сховал,
me, homie. I'ma hit this.
сховал зброю. Ого.
shit, man.
You going first next time, no fool.
Shit, nigga, then we all be dead.
Not me, nigga.
You gonna get chipped, old bitch ass baller. Hey, baller, you the one getting booked.
Fuck. Man, clap these fools.
Lamar, what the fuck you get us into?
You the fool wanted to make money.
А это такая короткая миссия для нас. Де ми на ніяку тілку з балицями прийшли. І я не вдалі.
Never fucking learn.
Fuck that. Send him back. Man, bullshit.
You go first. Stay after me.
You go first, stay after me.
Move, motherfucker.
Кухненские разборки, но... Не толкайся, Ламар. Книголюб.
The place on fire. Shit's burning. We gotta go, man. Move it. Here again? Stay down. This Chamberlain gangster family's here.
Вітуси, паладін. Де він схов... Де він був? Чому я його не бачив?
We ain't gonna run. Fuck that.
А, він ось там сидів, напевно.
This is fucked. Dumbass baby G.
Вставай!
Fire, dog. Fire. You see that shit? Well, move. Shit, we gotta go before this shit spread. Clowns, man. Bang this motherfucker. You lame ass smart. Man, back up. Fuck you.
А з хребтов загоралося. Так.
Man, I deserve to get whooped.
Never trust a baller, homie.
Never trust you is the lesson I'm taking away from this shit. Fuck you. Man, pop me and get it over with.
You handled that fool.
Yeah, and I'd handle him again. Many times as it takes. Shit.
You go first. Stay after me.
The roller's here. I ain't doing another bid, homies. Fuck.
I'ma follow you for a minute.
There's the fire door.
This the way out.
Way out.
One time.
We ain't going nowhere with that chopper on us. Take it out. Up this ladder. Long climb the...
Я думав, там випадково можна було підпалити.
Don't
Я
get
не
technical
бачив було
shit,
одразу,
homie.
що воно само загорілося. Іу, що ти став?
We almost done. Homie, let's go. Us, man. We getting out of here. Come on, homie. We booking.
I ain't waiting for that fat motherfucker. What happened to
Филипп
this
один
dude?
раз не помер, то это давно
Shit, we
было.
need transport. Let's go.
Давайте, сідайте, хлопці. Паладін, як на це
This
саме?
ain't got nothing to do with me, homie.
You a sad motherfucking bitch.
На ювелирку будем рабовать. Тихо, громко.
Keep them rollers off us. Nothing righteous about this shit. Acting like big dog. I wish I was in jail, not running with you.
The Black Mirror вертольотчик. Тому я згадав колір скори. Тихо, там, наскільки пам'ятаю, концовка все одно громко даватися буде. Ти затихо, то бок у нас один варіант затихо, один варіант громко. Що? А, шина помігла.
Hey, what the hell you walked me into back there?
Shit, man, you the one popped his ass.
I did the necessary.
Yeah, thank you for that, dog.
This all on you, LD.
А мишка так само відключилася, і мишка відключилася, нічого
Hey,
собі.
I ain't know the fools was gonna roll on us.
If you started something with the ballers, shit, I don't care if you CGF for life, man. You done. Done, you dig?
Вебка завісла. О, все завісло, я ж кажу. Все отлетіло, вся шина. Все, що було підключено під USB, перестало працювати. Не витримлює нагрузку потока.
I'ma reach cross lines, alright?
І просто все крашиться.
Yeah, that's a good idea, man. Smart shit.
But if I gotta hang you assholes out for this, the gang comes first.
Oh, it ain't gonna come to that, homie. You all diplomatic and shit.
Yeah, he a real fucking diplomat, ain't he? This that peace-talking motherfucker we should have sent to the Middle East. Fuck. No wonder I want
Не-не-не.
to get out of here.
No one's stopping you, little homie.
Тут така... Кольки? 3 USB порта плюс вебка. Вебка, напевно, так само през GT шину підключена ніяк. Яна вбудована у те саме у
You gonna hang with your auntie while
ноутбук, але не ведаю.
Fuck up.
Эти все подключены приладания, что вот одно часово вылетели. Мышка, камера, микрофон
He's a hook ass nigga, I told you. Go toss
и
a
как
salad straight
захопа.
to Mark ass bitch.
Некая критичная помылка отбылась. New contact stretch. Так, ну что, переключаемся на майку туда. А як переключаться? Я не памятаю. А як переключиться на майку? Чи я бакуль еще не могу? Я забылся. Settings. Control. Target, tag, file, weapon, well, interact меню, pause меню. Character selection. Вниз. О. А коли буде місія з великими? Ну 10 миссий пресс 5-7 подается. Зараз ось мусить бути місія на Мадраса, наскільки я пам'ятаю. Ну, зв'язана з Мадраса. Якщо успіє, то поспіє. Але обирати будемо про 3 місії, яким способом подається. Тип, може, апитанку закину. Так я б закинув би, але там ліміт по апитанках чомусь 10 хвилин дає тільки всього. Максимум 10 хвилин можна поставити. Це мало. Тому я так. Собственноручно збираю. Я не ведаю, чому вони так зробили. Коли б можна було там хоча б години 2 поставити. Я б такий, ну добре, поставлю 2 години. І там, коли про ній би скончили, то скончили про ній.
Tracy.
Трейсі! Йоу! Зараз хтось типа шаха тримає.
Amanda! Amanda! You better not be! Not in my house.
Fuck you, Michael. Go away.
I'm paying that turd $150 an hour to fuck my wife in my own bed?
Michael, go away.
No, I'm sorry, bro. She said you had an arrangement. You and I are gonna have an arrangement. I'm gonna arrange your fucking funeral. I'm really sorry, bro. I'll comp the
А я забув, як це? Ctrl-Alt-B?
Come here!
Alt-Б, Ctrl-Б. Я не пам'ятаю як.
Hey, you! Stop it!
А, вот так.
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
What the fuck is going
Вспомнил.
on?
Nothing happened. It was a misunderstanding.
fucked a brick in my bed. You bullshitting.
It wasn't like that.
You in? Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this motherfucker.
Just don't kill him!
Я сказав, просто не забивай його, чи іди забій його. Там було don't тихо.
Guy's doing some work for me. He'll get it back. Might have a dead body hooked to it, but he'll get it back.
Oh, so we killing this dude.
He'll wish he was dead. Is that a problem?
Shit, dog, shit.
Бля, я за майку.
Exactly.
Я хотел на полной ходкости улететь. Я с дольностью уключить. Я думал, я за этого гуляю. И я не зауважил, кто за кермом. Мне почему все подалось, что это был за кермом.
We creeping on this asshole.
Франклин. Ну и что ты раскорачивался на всю дорогу?
Fuck, man, I think we lost his ass.
He lives somewhere up in the canyon. We'll find him. You see that little piece of shit? It's this track here.
Hey, he in one of these fucking houses.
That's his car, right there. Little prick's up there, look.
Oh, shit, Coach doing all right for himself.
Можно проспрыгнуть, там здається на 2 години.
You ran off before we could settle our debts.
Угу.
You got the wrong idea, man. They think the world owes them a living.
Ну, прогнозах это не то.
There's a winch in the back of the truck. Tied a cable to one of those supports up there.
Да и тем больше он за 182 миссии
Rick
подается.
pulled my marriage down.
До
It's
выбора.
gonna be this fucking dramatic.
Yeah, whatever.
I told you I comped the session, bud.
But there were a lot of freaking sessions, bud. I'm thinking you were working on more than just her backhand.
Mandy's backhand has come a long way, bro. But sometimes it's gotta get worse to get better.
Yeah, well, maybe I should come up there and practice my backhand. On your face!
Oh, bud, you're negative energy.
Гэта місія, за якою Майку потребуються гроші.
I hope it
За
is.
чого він вирішить скрасти.
You come into my house, take my money, and nail my wife? Are you fucking kidding me?
I'm gonna stick up my hand and say that was uncool, bud. My bad. Seriously.
How fucking mad?
Ах, это что здесь девчина была?
May I please offer you my applause? You fucking motherfucker!
Dude!
And we'll see how you like it when someone fucks with your shit.
Oh, hey. Wait! You got the wrong idea, pal. Whoa! Fuck!
Here we go! Let's see what happens.
Dude, you are probably crazy. Oh, shit. You see this shit, dog? Do it, man. Fucking do it. Man, homie ain't rubbing outside tonight, dog. Push the pedal, homie. Oh, fuck.
І... Здається, гэта дом не тренера. Здається, гэта тренер отшпокає не тільки жонку Майку,
Hey,
а ще й того мужика,
put a little more than the deck down.
кому гэта дом належить.
Hey, man, I don't think my boy Matthew was thinking trucks when he wrote that shit.
Mr. DeSanta, what the hell? That's not my house!
Bullshit.
Oh, bro, I couldn't afford a place like that. I'm a tennis coach. I hit balls for a living. I was just hiding there.
Give me a phone! You!
Ну, вот он как раз позвонил.
That one! Green
Is-
light! Green light! Martin Madrazo, give you green light!
Oh, I'm scared, lady. Just fucking terrified.
Зеленый колик.
Green light! Martin Madrazo! Fuck you!
Hey, man, that's some mean-looking motherfucking essays right behind you.
Are you kidding me? Kid, can you do something?
I'll try, man. Try. We can handle this, right? Screw him. We got a book, man. Go. Uh-oh, that guy got it. Got one of those bastards. I think we lost him. Man, you been kind of reckless. Go back to my house and think about this. Wow. Shit. You did good. I mean, I don't know if you hit anyone.
Гринвайн, да-да-да. Міновито так.
Ah, thank you. Are you sure I didn't hit?
Whew. Hey, thanks for the help out there today, kid.
Так, это мексиканский
I had no
был?
idea it was gonna get that hot.
Такой акцент, да?
Inside, show has a weird way of fucking with people.
Yeah, well, I thought I was through with all that shit. I don't know what the hell's going on.
Oh shit, I think we're about to find out.
А, не, Наталья. Здається, это все-таки не мексиканский акцент.
You know who I am?
Не,
You know who I am.
не,
Do you?
No.
не.
You? You?
I think so.
Good. I know who you are. I know where you live. Who are you?
I'm Franklin.
License. Now, Frank, maybe help Mr. DeSanta here. Who am I?
I think Martin Madrazo.
Good boy. Now maybe give him a little of a background.
Man, Mr. Madrazo... Mr. Madrazo is a legitimate businessman who was wrongfully accused of running a Mexican-American gang and a narcotic ring, but the charges were dropped because of the witnesses came up missing.
Smart kid. Now, Michael, got a question for you. Did you pull an architectural, significant, modernist wonder home down the hillside in Vinewood Hills?
I thought the owner was banging my wife.
Well, that was a strange house for a tennis coach.
I wasn't thinking straight.
Clearly. Well, Natalia will need a hotel while you finance the rebuild, won't she?
Sure.
Good. And I'm guessing here that the rebuild will be somewhere in the 2.5 million range?
Of course.
Great.
Хотя мы теперь должны 2,5 мільйони. А тренер так само коучу Наталі, так? Тому він там сховався.
Damn, you alright?
Never better.
So what now?
Looks like I'm gonna have to postpone my retirement. Fuck. Oh man, I'm mortgaged up to my eyeballs. Look, I only know one way to make money. I'm gonna have to give an old friend a call. Lester. I think he's in town somewhere. I'm gonna have to track him down. Just give me a little alone time, alright?
Alright, dawg.
Ось так. Було весело.
Hello. Is this still the number for Lester Crest?
Who's asking?
Who's asking? Who's asking?
You're awful cagey. Even for a dead man, Michael.
Ooh, you don't sound good, buddy.
Tactful and charming even in death. Come see me, old friend. I'm living in Los Santos, just like you. Murrieta Heights.
Whoa, wait. Hey, how do you... Hello? You fucker.
Ну, тут есть исти. Лестер, Майкл. Еще шмат миссионов. Но Майкл ближе. А, можно до психолога сходить. Давайте до психолога сгоняем.
Vamos the car, amigo.
Після такого мені потрібно попрацювати з психологом. Ну, треба їм потелефонувати навіть, нічого собі.
Doc, hey.
Michael, I'm looking through my appointment book, and I don't see your name.
Yeah, well, I'm more of a walk-in guy, Doc. You know that.
Walk-ins are more expensive, but I'm always happy to accommodate.
Sure, you'll accommodate me as long as I got money in my pocket, right? Hey, I'm in a bad way, Doc. I might come by soon.
Ах, это Патерник, это не психолог был, да? Я думал, Патерник это и был психолог. Да блять! Бачите, я еду. Ну и что, что вам зеленый, мне червоный, ну? О, to soon to bring up tennis. Что она написала? Где это почитать? Too soon to bring up tennis. Assume I'm not getting another coach anytime soon. So I need some to play with. Короче, Аманда хоче, каб я з ёю теніс погуляв тепер. Гэта все з-за таго, што я не гуляў з ёю теніс, вось. Вось калі б ён сам з ёю теніс гуляў, нічого б такога не адбылося. Ах, это бегать.
Not now. Message from me, get off your fat ass.
See, this exercise stuff's about as relaxing for you as it is for my wife.
No, I don't want to sleep with you, and no, I don't care that I'm 39.
Покулі вона там з кимсь у теніс гуляє. Я тут некой бабой бегать буду.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay. Just fuck you. All of you. I'm on a run.
Бильярдина хоче погулять.
Still run you into the fucking ground.
С тренером.
Hey, I played high school football, all right, sweetheart? All state, QB.
Whatever. Just don't have a coronary. Let's go!
Whoa!
Okay, man boobs, race you to the beach! I don't know who I'm more embarrassed for. You're not exactly dressed for cardio.
It's running! How much gear?
Майкл, блядь.
It's running! How much gear do you need?
I feel like I'm being chased by my creepy uncle. I can't believe you're cheating already! Stay on the path! Oh, look who it is! The man who can't stay on the path!
Это недовольна этим, что я читерил.
Sorry about the Neanderthal! Run on the road! Take that traffic head on!
Yeah, I could have guessed you were one of those.
That space is yours! Own it!
О, можно на мотоцикл сесть, да? Блять, не халеры себе, она просто девчину с лестницы скинула, такая и все. Коли уключить камеру от пекче особо, он будет худшей по лестницам бегче. Здоровья нема.
I thought I had issues, but you give me hope.
I own you!
My shrink's office is right near here if you want to work through.
Я зараз помру от сердечного приступу. Але я не дозволю їй перемогти. Майкл, давай, давай, Майкл! Майкл, давай, 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 давай! Ледь не помер, але перемог. Нет, это здоровье, это не показательник выносливости.
My chest. Fuck me.
Screw you! You're lucky I'm tapering for a try.
Мері Ніку додав у контакті. Там гляді, що там було? Ранен інсайтик був так. Спринінг о сайклінг, короче, бегчить и ездить на велосипеде. Должнее, чем твоя стамина, будет поменьшать твое здоровье. Это здоровье поменьшалось именно это. Вось, калі у тебя скончылася стаміна, ты будешь гублять здоровье. Занятая. Погляди, якая занятая. Ну. Не, я ж ніжэй за палову згубіў. А яно калі ніжэй за палову згубляецца, то яно аднаўляецца з часам. Яно больш за палову не аднаўляецца. Ну, гэта у яго такая дорогая машина, да?
Come in, Michael.
Треба буде скрасти.
Thanks, Doc.
How have you been?
Oh, good. Things been good. No, actually, things ain't been good. Things been a far fucking way from good. I've been acting out. That's what you would call it, I think, right? Acting out.
So what exactly has been the problem?
Чим була проблема?
Not good, Doc. Not good at all.
I'm sorry to hear that. Tell me.
I don't know. I guess we've been having these conversations long enough that I can recognize a trigger when I see one. You know? Shit that's gonna put me right over the fucking edge. Like my family. My son. My daughter. My wife, especially my wife. I mean, they just set me right off. Episode. You know, actually it was a culmination of a series of episodes. I pulled this Mexican's house right off the fucking hill. I mean, I think I'm back in it, Doc. I'm back into life. I mean, I gotta make some money, and there's only a couple ways I know how to do it.
You feel the need to explain your decisions, Michael. Take responsibility. So, any other violent urges, friend?
Yeah. Even on the way over here, I think I killed someone. And you know what? I don't care. I'm sick, Doc. I'm a sick, hypocritical fuck.
I agree. Which is why you should really bulk buy a batch of sessions.
Приблизно так, да. Ну что, приймаем? Нет, давай не будем принимать. Fuck you.
Everyone makes mistakes. I'm not trying to be perfect.
Okay. And what about your sexual behaviors?
I've been well. I mean, I've had thoughts, but I've been good. Not a single problem.
We all have thoughts, Michael. Not acting on them is real progress.
I just ain't myself right now, Doc. Not since my life went crazy.
You're plainly addicted to chaos.
Well, I'm not sure that's true, Doc. I'm not exactly enjoying myself here. You know, what I'm addicted to is not getting killed. But for some reason, I keep getting my ass into situations where getting killed is a little hard to avoid.
What about the people you kill?
Well, yeah, but that's not for fun.
Are you sure?
What exactly are you asking, Doc? Am I a psychopath who enjoys suffering? Or a sociopath who doesn't give a flying fuck about the rules? Come on, we've already had this conversation, right? I'm neither. I'm just a fat, washed-up jock who can't get his head around the fact that his high school football career didn't play out the way that he planned. The only way I'm content and competent is with a gun in my hand or a price on my head.
You're very defensive, Michael. Do you consider yourself a failure?
Yeah.
I pay you to listen to my problems. I'm rich, I'm miserable. I mean, half the time my kids can't stand me, the other half, my wife is cheating on me. I kill people without remorse, Doc. Hell, I'm pretty average for this town, really. Hey, wait a minute, that's the shot. I think I'm having a breakthrough here, Doc. I know that I'm just terrified that
I'm sure you are, but that's really all we have time for.
Ну, що, час його скончив. 20 баксів. 20 тисяч. Скільки ми йому заплатимо?
Next time.
Okay.
Сколько мы заплатили? 500 баксов, ніхуя собі. І за такое мушу його машину скрасить. Ну, надо эту музыку забанить. Maybe. Michael, my money, where is it? You don't want me to visit you again? Next time will be so much worse. Всім потрібні гроші. Психологу 500 заплати. Гэтому 2,5 мільйона. Діти, працюйте, бляха. Это тут? Нет, это наступно. Чим ми зараз будемо займатися? Я не пам'ятаю, яка то місія. Daddy's little girl. А, это вот мы на пляж идем. Так, пойдем сына вучить уму розуму.
Jimmy! God damn. The fuck you doing? Nothing.
Jimmy, что ты робишь?
Because I keep hearing hermaphrodite this, suck cock that.
Go away.
What?
Go watch your linear.
Жонка никуда не съезжала, жонка в соседнем покое сидит. Куда она съедет? Чому она мучить съезжать?
I can't believe you did that. That's my TV.
You don't talk to me like that.
I can't believe you. Mom was right about you. You don't know any better and you can't help it, but you're an asshole.
Жонкой можно вот пойти погулять у теннис.
Besides, just stand there. Why don't you hit me?
Is that what you want, to be hit by your son?
Yeah. No. I just want you to do something. Besides, sit there, eating.
Yeah, great. Thanks for the fucking guidance, Dad. It means a lot.
Wait. I'm just trying to help you.
Yeah, well, nothing says I love you like smashing my fucking TV. Nothing at all.
I'm sorry. I just wish we could do things together.
Yeah, what things?
I don't know. Go for walks, play ball.
You know I have bad glands.
Bike ride then.
Bike ride? You want to go on a fucking bike ride? Fine, fine, let's go on a fucking bike ride. We'll take a bike ride along Vespucci Beach, and I'll show you just what you want to see.
Що ми мусимо достійми перемогти?
This day was going so well until you showed up. You know that? Ugh!
Yeah, well, you're lucky to even be allowed out of the house after that boat stunt.
What's the big deal? If anything goes wrong, you can just fake your death and start all over. How am I meant to develop my own moral sensibilities when yours are so unbelievably fuck-faced? I'm going gray listening to this crap. Station change. Fuck yeah, I'm a jam. Don't push me. Seriously, some guys borrow your bow.
Borrow? You were hiding in the head crying kidnapped.
They just took receipt of your property with payment pending.
If it was anything other than what you told me, then that's on you.
All right, they fucking stole it. And who knows what they would have done if they found me. You're driving like a psychopath, Michael. Do you realize that?
Да ты
Or are you
что?
so high on your own outmoded sense of masculinity that you think this is normal?
Shut your pie hole. I think we'll both be happier if we can spend as little time in this vehicle as
А
possible.
по-моему, я идеально еду.
I've got learning difficulties, huh? Take a good long look in the mirror, pal. I'm not the one who doesn't respect my fellow human beings.
No, not unless they're a spick or a Jew boy or an ass-munching homo.
Да говорит, что машина добрая тримает.
Me thinking there's a difference between witty banter arising from a sense of competition.
Witty? Really?
And mowing someone down in the street?
Hey, I never said you had learning difficulties, Jim.
Well, I do, and you never cared.
I just said that Dr. Freelander thought that maybe you had problems relating to people.
Relate to my asshole, old man. Here we are, the bike rental place. Please don't shoot the bike rental guy out of, like, force of habit.
Там, наколькі пам'ятаю, одно з поліпшень у GTA моделі поселення.
Hey, you! 2 bikes. Take your pick.
Так, зелененький, это не, желтенький. Давай это возьмем.
If I beat you to the end of the pier, you're buying me a new TV. Shit.
Good. It is what it is, you know?
End of the pier, fine. But if you lose, you're gonna do something with your life.
Hey, Pop, if you're such a health nut, you should do a triathlon or some other midlife crisis nonsense. My body isn't meant to work like this, but I'm making it to beat you.
Я навод не напрягаюсь.
We might be able to squeeze you into some skinny jeans.
О, гляди, он поехал.
You'll die first, old man, right after you buy the TV. Oh, I'm about to pass out. When I wake up, please let this nightmare be over. Don't die. Don't give him the pleasure.
Hey, don't they have fitness video games you can play now?
If you like the beach so much, bury yourself out here.
Don't give up, even though you're losing.
My lungs are burning, but humiliating you makes it all worthwhile.
Ой, мы не туда поехали.
Keep pushing.
Did your parents do it?
I can't wait to show you something.
I'm being hypnotized by your wings flapping.
Jesus, that was close.
I'm gonna gas in your face.
If I wasn't catching a face full of
Давай
your
давить
fumes,
людей.
I'd go faster.
This hurts so much, but I don't care.
It's not the winning, James. It's the taking part that counts.
The boardwalk ain't big enough for the both of us. I mean, like, literally, it isn't. We're both kind of big. All the way to the end. Come on, old man. Oh, I'm about to pass out. When I wake up, please let this nightmare be over. Hey, get out of the air pocket.
Oh, you been in the ocean? Are you just dripping sweat?
Давай, сынок. Ты сдолишь.
Careful, Jim. Don't give yourself a hernia.
I'm not gonna be able to stop this thing.
Don't give up, even though you're losing.
You ain't got a hope, old-timer. There's a prize waiting for you at the end. Whew.
А что ты натыкнуться на дошку? Так, так.
Number one, pal. You owe me a TV.
Hey, I never agreed to that.
You know, this is real nice, Dad. Bonding, good times.
Yeah, well, I'm giving it my best shot. Hey, we're having fun, right?
Та перемог Джиммі, я дав їм перемогти.
If it sat on your face.
Ah, come on.
I mean, why do I have to hold your hand through this
Теперь я
whole life crisis bullshit?
можу купить телевизор
Your
новый.
nose up Tracy's butt sometime.
Because Tracy doesn't buy cars she can't afford, so that thugs break in our house. Tracy doesn't get kidnapped or destroy my yacht.
Well, that's just because she's too busy getting fucked by dudes to get on TV.
You don't talk about your sister that way.
Well, I'm sorry, but it's true. I mean, according to her Life Invader page, she's hanging out with producers and porno guys this afternoon.
What are you talking about?
Actually, it's all happening right out there.
What?
That boat that makes yours look like a refugee raft?
И она хотела упорно к этому сняться,
That makes
да?
a young, impressionable girl drop her pants and spread her legs.
This is the reason you brought me here, isn't it? You fuck.
Ah! Dad, wait! Dad! Come on now!
Можно вверх путь колес? Триатлон некий почався. Спершу велик, потом пливем. Ще більше зосталося. Яна просто як у тим анекдоті, поїхавши з незнайомими людьми на шашлики, Наташа тільки потім зрозуміла, чому вона не скидалася.
I'm a dancer, yeah.
Hey, man, whoa, whoa, whoa!
Come on, sweetheart. Take me out of here.
Dad, you're embarrassing me. These are my friends.
Yeah, you're embarrassing her, dude.
They're shooting porno here.
They shoot porno all over town. Mom rented our house to them last summer.
What?
Your house?
Yeah.
Man, you got a killer pad, Mr.
Isn't it awesome?
Let's go.
Those walls could talk.
You think I do it?
Hey!
No!
Hey!
Shit,
Ain't cool,
Daddy.
man!
What are you doing? Hey!
Fuck, man! I like him!
Problem.
You're such a jerk!
Come on!
Dad, you dumbass! These guys are serious!
Yeah, well, so am I. Go to the scene of my fucking boat! Oh, motherfuckers! Get on! Now! I'm about to skin you alive! God damn it! Go!
Питання на засипку.
Shit! They're coming after us! Go into that outlet!
All right, all right!
Де він тримав пістолет?
Go away before my dad kills you! Daddy, you just killed him!
Maybe he's just injured.
You killed them! Oh my god, this isn't happening!
Він туди поїхав, не? Треба було вліво повернути.
OMG, they're coming! Go into that outlet! My dad doesn't miss, so just like F off! Oh my god, did you just kill him?
Hey, don't worry. It's amazing what modern medicine can do. If you say so, Trace.
They're both dead, I can't believe this!
Та поворачуйте, ну.
I did what I had to do.
На волнах
Let me take you
плюхається на
back to your
хвалях.
brother.
I'm an accessory to murder!
No, you're not. You're an accessory to self-defense.
Have I like got to be a witness because I like did some blow?
You did blow?
Yeah, I did some blow and that might like make my testimony inadmissible.
You're not admissible. missing anything. There won't be a trial.
Бог это скорочение от Боуджоп?
After you ruined my day, stole my friend's shit, capped them, and I'm the one on trial?
They started it. And we wouldn't be in this mess if you hadn't hung out with some creepy-ass porno people and done blow.
You didn't know I did
Блять.
blow until I told you I did blow. So this should be like an increase in trust and honesty thing. And porno dudes are like the best dudes I could be with.
Porno dudes? Really?
Yeah, they actually respect
А
women.
куда
and treat
путь-то?
That's right. It's Los Santos, Dad. What do you expect when we moved here?
Enough! This conversation is over.
Keep hiding your head in the clouds. The 50s are over. Even the 80s are over.
See? That's the problem. Because they're not over in my head.
Well, grow up.
Короче, яны кудись іду, у нейкі свісток. Яны гэта абмусолівалі 2 хвіліни, да? Я правильно зразумеў увесь іх дыалог? Сюда я попал.
Give me you, D-bag! You fucking asshole!
He's the fucking asshole, okay? He smashed my TV and he took me to the beach. The beach with my skin.
So what, you sent him out to spoil my day too?
I didn't know that he was gonna come get you. I just told him where you were. You know, he got that crazy look in his eyes, you know, like he gets sometimes, and he just went.
I'm getting a cab.
Coming with you.
How about I just drive us home?
You ruined my life.
Цудоўныя детки. О, можно триатлоном заняться. А далеко? А, близко, короче. Ти. А Тих это кто? Таниша? Да есть ровер які-небудь? Чи що-небудь? Нічого нема?
Hey, dude! You asked my watch was a gold?
Hey, lady, watch it. Someone film this
I need to
asshole.
get home and get drunk.
Whatever.
Где-то виглядає, будь-то гонки ніякі тут такі.
I'm sorry, I'm a little stressed.
Ох, ледь об дно не разбился. Блин, пробачьте. Пробачьте за это. Протягиваем. Я уже подумал, что это у гульни звонить. Думаю, ничего себе. Телеграм у гульни. Давай на камени. Уху! Ого.
Oh, fuck.
could really use a vacation.
I wish every...
Hi there. Name and date of birth, please.
Yeah, right next to all the other insecure guys in their 40s, huh?
I've been training, you know, ignoring my kids. I'm telling you, little soul needs toy robot games bar. You ever run the Liberty City Marathon?
Это финиш, где там, откуда мы только что приплыли? А нет, это только треба доплыть. Вот, стамина есть.
I like pushing myself to the limit.
Бля, ну и костюмчик у тебя, конечно. Вітанки, усе слово. Ми тут когось до обрабування ювелірки рихтуємося, бачиш? Стаміну мацуємо. Капо лепше нас отримлювалося. Триатлон, так, триатлон. Плыть недалеко. Iron Man. Не, просто звичайний триатлон. Угу, стамину так не отрымается у нас, да? Толкай меня. Не хочешь меня толкать. Нам треба трошки обновить стаминки. А, ось обновилось. Все давно. Так, где мой ровер? Який з їх? А чому без шлема? Я не порушаю зараз правила триатлону. Я на все шлемы одели. А я? Хлопче. Ти не вельми хутко поїхав, не?
Come on, look at that.
Oh, yeah! Do that shit! Go, go, go!
Ось на бігі нас і переодолять. Бо я гляжу, я тільки перший пробіг, а стаміни вже нема. І вона не обновляється.
Now, this is a middle-life crisis I can enjoy.
Вона не обновляється стаміна. А бери шлях, яким будете проходить, бо голоси поділилися. Шлем і он одна колись панітировок. Ті просто заповолиться. Шлема надіння, ну все, нам хапає стаміни добігче до фінішу. Все, чудово, ми перемогли. Усісова, бігай, як ми будемо грабити, рабувати ювелірку, по-громкому чи по-тихому? У нас покуль голоси 1-1. За тобою син Боух некий біг, ну він був біг вельми хутко. New triathlon has been unlocked. Де? Де гэта триатлон? Покажите мне его. Надо где-нибудь на іншому конце мап. Где это нарешті? Я фанат по громкому. По громкому, значится по громкому. Так, у нас есть ще миссия за Танишу, до речі. Где там Франклин? Що він робить?
Help me! He took my wallet!
He said, what is your number? I didn't answer. What is your number? I still don't answer. What is your number, boy? I really don't answer. It was up the chopper. Me mama, then me started to answer.
Do you want to die over this fool?
А, вон. Не побачив, де. 500 баксів. Коли банкомату сказав, погляди.
You rock, bro. See, this is what it's about. Community.
Ти будеш у стіну глядеть?
No way.
Franklin, you gotta shaping up on your shooting. Put some time at the range if you can. Shooting range is available. Погнали. Так, а вы гуляли у Мека Хамелеон? Стримерской. Стримерской не гуляли. Это мой гонорар. Ён сам мне сказал 50 баксов скинь себе. Але треба собраться с стримерской. Где тут шутинг рейндж? Що тут треба робити?
It was so cool. It was like I was in a movie or a music video or something.
Man, what are you talking about?
I love the hip hop. PG Jackson, MC Clip.
That ain't real hip-hop.
14 баксов, ніхуя собі. Увоход.
What would I know? I barely...
Сотню. І кольки треба набрати? Типу, це все треба виконати? А, треба, кольки хочу, стільки стріляю. Зрозуміло, чого ж ви одразу не сказали-то? Сильвик 10 тысяч. Нахер. Нахер. У меня ще миссии есть у этой гульни. Я все зрозумел. Фигня ваша челленджи.
Your life must be so exciting.
Say again?
I can't even imagine. Gang signs, initiations, dropping homies, ready to bleed for the hood. Live fast, die young.
Ничего себе.
Man, what are you talking about? You don't
Кое-что
know
у
me.
них,
Oh no, I didn't mean any offense. It's just my
кое-что у
life
них
is
на
so
бронике,
dull.
конечно. Ну що, хлопці, у магазина будку? Зараз.
All good. Welcome. Enjoy yourself.
Так. Добрый день, я хотел бы набыть у вас обуток. Треба продавщицу знайти некую. Ось одна есть. Продає обуток. Не могли бы вы показать ваши сапожки? А, ось такі ось есть у продажу, да? Файные сапожки. Аманді подобається. Ну треба таніше такі набити, да? Як ви лічите? Добре. Потім набуду.
I'm tired of hearing about damn austerity. They gonna cut my pay because the banks are hell yeah. What's good? I wish a motherfucker would run up on me for wearing a hoodie.
To feed the less, I proceed for the best. And if you think I like put me to the test, give me a beat and I might be no need nothing else. See them a drink rum, but me nah sip up.
Hey, boo! I knew you
Hey,
couldn't
boo.
stay away.
Я б руками обутку. Тобі треба?
Tanya, do you ever clean your raggedy bitch ass up?
Fuck you, Lamar. I mean, Franklin or whatever. Everybody on the block knows you gone on Vinewood and shit.
Well, shit, if going Vinewood means I ain't hitting the pipe like 1992, then shit, I'm guilty as charged.
Punk ass.
What?
Bitch ass.
Excuse me?
Look, I'm sorry, but where's your love for the hood? JB ain't doing good. He needs help. We need your help, nigga. We gonna lose everything.
All right.
Shit.
What do I gotta do?
Same as before, boo. A little help with the tow truck. Nothing for a real man like you.
All right. You just get yourself together. Your ass done went crazy.
You never could say no to me, Franklin Clinton. I ain't so cracked out I don't remember that night behind the burger shop.
Not this again. What, we was like 13?
But you was a man after that night.
Damn, every time.
Hell no.
Every time with this shit. And nothing even happened.
It's all good, baby. I know that wound ain't healed.
Знову треба ніяку машину евакуювати.
That's our truck. You know the drill. Dispatch, what you got?
10-4. We got an SUV in a handicapped spot without a sticker at the Lucky Plucker in Little Seoul. Do you copy?
You know I don't copy. I'm an original. Yeah, we got you. JB still sick.
Жак, ти за 300.
Cause you look like you know what you doing.
One, I can't drive. And two, this ain't no work for a lady.
Oh, you really fighting the feminist cause there, ain't you, Tanya?
Like your aunt, you mean? I saw her fake jogging the other day, chanting some whacked out nonsense. That bitch is crazy.
Yeah, that we can't agree on.
And I got qualifications, honey.
Like hell you do.
I got a certificate in cosmology. You never seen my nails.
What, you going into space now?
You always did think you were so clever. Remember Davis High? You didn't learn shit at that school.
And you got your math on the corner in Davis.
Shocking news as police admit up to 80.
That's whack.
You gotta watch out, fool.
Is not for pain, but to get high.
А, я неправильно припарковался, погляди его.
TV star Miranda Cowan during a high-speed chase. Miranda, who is on a career downturn, must wonder.
Macrobiotic sustainable.
We're on, boo. Let's move it out.
Antioxidant-rich, 7-grain, 12-grain, whole grain, gluten-free, cruelty-free, vegan, vagina, non-genetically modified, zero-trans fat, free-range foods at prices you simply won't believe. It's that, or are you more of the factory farm, genetically altered?
Hell no.
Куда они едут?
Job for making new friends, is it?
I thought you'd been into some repo work.
Yeah, that's true. Same shit, but nicer cars.
It's an honest dollar, and there ain't many of those around.
An honest dollar that I ain't seen yet. Man, JB need to get his head straight.
JB's going through a hard time.
A hard time sitting on his ass smoking crack.
I gotta keep his hours up. Word is they gonna sell the business. A new owner ain't good news for the drivers with no papers. JB sold his social for a piece 2 years back.
I see the problem, but I just don't see that as mine.
You... Too good to cover a brother now?
Щось я начепилося.
What you doing to that car back there?
I'm here, ain't I? I've been covering that brother for 20 years.
А чому я начепилась? Нормально ж ехали.
Jeanette Adams says she is so glad the government has been collecting phone records and reading citizens' email and text messages. If it hadn't been for that, she might still be single. FIB agent Ken Bryant contacted her out of the blue after reading the private email and postings on Life Invader. The couple are now engaged. Officials point to these kinds of heartwarming stories in defense of the much-publicized surveillance program.
This was Weasel News.
Не той поворот. Не та брама.
Drop it in the marked area. Same as before, honey. You sure you ain't been smoking? I'll make it up to you, Franklin. You know I will. See you round.
А что, сколько грошев-то дали? Не дали грошев? Не дали грошев.
The new generation present of love, unity.
Почекай.
Peace and harmony.
Бачиш, що його одинка позначена. Це значить, що його є ніяка активність, чи що це значить? А яка у його є активність? Гонки є. Ну, далеко я не поеду. Чи що у його ще є? Ну, миссия только Лестера есть у нас. Не поеду на гонки. Где-то там больше уже до Лестера доехал, пока я тут миссию выполнял. Мне просто не было охоты самому ехать до Лестера. Дороги, Лекс. У нас тут питанечка, яким шляхом будемо виконувати місію нальот на это самое. На ювелирку. По-тихому, типа громкому. А где это Лестер?
Fuck you, Lester. You gonna let me in or what?
Give me a minute.
Fuck you, Лестер, каже.
I was dead.
Praise be. Guess you weren't very dead. You need my help.
How do you know?
Because you came here. Why else would you?
I haven't been a good friend.
По-гучному. У нас третій голос уже так гучно отримлюється.
And you're gonna make it up to me by doing whatever I ask. Or rather, I mean, I need something done, you need to know something, so why not help each other?
I gotta make some dough.
So you're back in the game?
I guess. Look, Lester, about what happened before.
Oh, I know you never mentioned my name. I know I'm not on any lists anywhere. I know you never betrayed me. As for you, you gotta figure that I never told anyone. That instead of gently decomposing in North Yankton, you're angrily decomposing in Los Santos with a shrink and a wife who don't love you no more.
Yeah, well, since you put it like that...
Hey, shut up a minute. I'm getting an iFind alert. That little college boy sack of shit, phony fuck.
Who? Jay Norris?
Yes, that fuck is a lying bastard. I've read his fucking emails. He's a fucking cheat.
I heard him say that he saved America.
What, by outsourcing all the jobs? By selling us little bits of plastic restricted access shit? Well, now it's payback time, you lying turd.
The hell are you talking about?
You are about to get that white-collar gig that you always dreamed of, Mikey. Here, take this fashionably retro, weird for a 45-year-old man, but I cannot let go of the 1980s bag, and dress yourself up like a billionaire math genius with low-level Asperger's. You better be ready for the minor glitch of your repulsive pseudo-messianic life.
Okay, Lester.
Get out of here! Call me when you're ready. We are about to put the Darwinism back in social Darwinism, and brother, it is gonna be fun.
You fucking kidding me? I'm a bank robber, not a web designer.
So we'll go robbing soon. I'll find something. Just like the old days.
Каже, иди у айтишку это самое. Лоткуйся. Да зараби. Гроші для мадраса. Що тут складаного? Так, яку ми машину возимо? Чого це пришпільно виглядає? Подається, я кудись не туди поїхав. Ні, трошки така файна машина. Когось забили хозяин. Нормально, мамаль, приехали. Когда нас научают одень изменения.
I got this interview at this tech company. I'm thinking I need something, I don't know, geeky.
Geeky.
Lost your job and the world's moved on, huh? That's too bad.
I didn't lose my job.
Of course. Got too old, got outsourced. Same thing happened to my dad. Now you gotta fit in with a different generation. Hmm? What about a vest and some cargo shorts?
All right.
$404. Пускай будет 404.
I think that might just work. Good luck at the interview.
Дякую. Успіхів на інтерв'ю, каже.
Michael?
I'm all dressed up. Now, you want to run me through this thing?
The prototype is somewhere in the Life Invader office. Find it and fit it with the device in your bag.
They're just gonna let me in?
Why wouldn't they if you look the part? Hang around till someone opens the door and act entitled.
Mine?
В фільмі хутко поворачує машину. Та блять. Ну не Франклин. Мы поехали к Life Invader.
Hey.
Hey. Oh, great. PM's pushing for more functionality. But we are maxed. I mean, if anything, we have to strip features, especially if we plan on releasing a fully priced update a year later. Oh my, it's...
Yeah, well, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know?
I mean, we're talking beta in Q4, maybe Q3. Look, milestones are one thing, but when design is changing its mind seemingly overnight, there's not much you can do about it. You know what I'm saying?
My union allocated smoke breaks about up, so...
Wait a minute. Do I know you?
Yeah, I think so.
IT temp, right?
Yeah.
You gotta do something for me.
You gotta put it in a ticket.
No. I'd like to keep this one out of the
Створи тикет, каже, а потім я зроблю.
I'm totally becoming a tech evangelist when the big boys vest. Maybe not even tech. I'll evangelize anything.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Chill out on the beanbag. Marcus will be right out.
Oh, I'm gonna take a normal chair. I have a terrible back.
Нормально ось такий офіс.
Here you go. If you guys let me use the OS I requested, this wouldn't be a problem.
Що там, порнуху глядів? Порнуху
Got
глядів.
any antivirus software?
I think so. Behind this junk on the left. Clicked an NSFW link, bro. Bit me on the ass.
Yeah, not safe for work, huh? You know, my son's computer runs into the same kind of problems. I'll close the pop-ups, see what I can do.
Your son codes? Start him early, bro. You write your best stuff in your tweens. After that, it's just a hack job.
Так, антивирус есть.
And we scan. Scanning.
Might be why I get all these migraines. Seriously, it might be why.
And that should do it. Why don't you try and keep things strictly safe for work from now on?
Hey, have you seen the prototype in the demo room? When Norris announces it at the keynote, minds are gonna blow.
Yes, they are.
Пойду погляжу, що там за прототип.
Oh, nice.
Заплечник. Тут покине.
Dude, when it blue screens again, you're my guy.
Goodbye.
Що їх там відбувається? Нарешті працюють тут у цьому офісі, що я не роблю? Може, один працовитий тільки є, а ні.
You would not believe the amount of personal data the sheep are giving out.
Картины сумные сидят.
That's so cool.
Is there to be heard? Data is there to be shared.
I mean, fossils are rad, but really?
Кафе. А, нельзя выходить.
Sit. Foot bag, dig fast.
Ow! Come on, you're gonna have to learn the foot bag if you want to get a job here, okay? Follow me.
Юб, 3D.
Oh. How's your air guitar?
Фига у его руки долгие.
All right, follow me.
Okay.
Куди не почти працювати? We want your data. Нам потрібні ваші дані. Життя завтра.
A-hole drank my effing hemp milk. There was a totally non-passive-aggressive note on it. If I drown in mucus, it's your fault, you illiterate effing seas.
Її молочку випили.
Hold on, I'll buzz you out.
Дякую. Куда? Думал, это моя машина, взял и уехал.
Hey, Michael, hold on. Domed! I domed ya!
Lester, the thing's in the prototype. I'm going home to watch the keynote.
Teabag time, my friend!
Lester, did you hear me? Are you playing that game?
Yeah, sorry, the phone is rigged. Hey, what's your problem? You don't like shooters?
They're all the same. Besides, you know me. I'm a movie guy. Classic Vinewood.
Classic Vinewood ended 30 years ago. Now it's just superheroes, romantic comedies, and remakes, none of which interest me.
Hey, I believe this country can still make interesting movies. There's no better way to define American life than a 2-hour plot in which the hero looks good and defeats evil.
Whatever you say. Enjoy yesterday. Anyway, just call the device after he's unveiled it, and then we'll talk.
Окей.
That is some crazy
Shit!
son of a bitch.
Хойл.
I'm sorry.
Ну що він вискакує на... Не бачить, що я тут їду? О, це електромобіль, до речі. Бачите, у його рухавіка був амаль нечутний. Хотів скіп поспробувати. Не спрацював.
Alarm the fire, who come to burn down Babylon?
Oh my god, you guys are so lame! No, I'm watching Fame or Shame!
Fucking tits. Give me that.
Mine's on fire.
Батька 404. Так, где это самая презентация?
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Jay Norris to the stage.
Hey, this company has come a long way since we started it in my parents'
Это пародия на Цукерберга, коли кто не ведает.
Today, you're about to witness a new phase. Full-on, weapons-grade, red alert, world domination.
Хотя худший на этого самого Стива Джобса и Цукерберга в одном в этом образе.
Penny we could in the process. And we have one of the youngest workforces in the world. An average age of only 14.4 years. That's not just impressive, it's revolutionary. Today, right here, we're about to make the next step. Prepare to witness the future.
Що це за символ такий?
The Life Invader mobile device. Yes, we've invented something no one else has ever thought of. A small, personal, computerized device. Now you're going to be able to stay docked 24/7. On the bus, you can dock. On the subway, stay docked. You can be docked in at home, and at the same time, you're docking with some kids at the public pool. Oh, hold on a second. I think someone's trying to dock with me. Hello?
Oh! Oh, Jesus! Whoa! Let's... Whoa!
Ось так. Колькі Лестер на гэтым грошаў наварыў? Ніхто не ведае.
Lester!
Менавіта так.
You watching the news?
I don't have to. I'm watching the markets. I'll be trading pure alpha till close.
All right. Hey, about that other thing. You know, the score.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Let's do it. Put on a suit, look somewhat professional, and meet me at my warehouse off the LS freeway. Oh, and I'm about to email you a link for the exchange. You can put in some trades of your own.
I'm trying to stay off the day trading. But maybe I'll take a look.
Две. Гэта ж лічбы азначаюць, колькі місіяў у мяне, ці што? Ці што яны азначаюць? Я в любым выпадку больш нічога не бачу. Толькі адну місію яго бачу. Гэта можа выпадкова незнакоміцца з'явіцца ў нейкі момант, так? Гэта значыць? Ну, глядзі, які булет паехаў. Прыгожанькі. Так. Вось калі я націскаю, бачыш, у гэтага дзве, у гэтага адна. А до таго, як я гэтую місію выканаў, абодвух па адзінкі было.
Oh, you don't have to call to tell me that.
Not you.
Ну вось, на.
Store detective. There's been a misunderstanding. I need you to help clear it up.
Що вона там хоче?
Now you want me. All right, I'm coming.
For one phone call rule for real policemen. You worthless bird.
Куди їхати? Що вона хоче? Да блять.
Now she
Ні, я не туди поїхав. Амаля трималася. Лесовоз поехал. Где мы с этого до трассы съедем? Я отключил навигатор. Каб трошки это самое город ведать. Не хочу ездить по навигаторе. Я этот город не запоминаю. What the fuck I want to collaborate? Ён, напевно, хотів зарейдить.
Man, easy there. That's assault on top of the shoplifting beat. Man, the paperwork. What you packing? You know, standard L. Hey! Stop right now!
Hit the gas! Let's go! I do not want to go to prison!
Зараз what the fuck буде рейдить нас. Бо я натиснув не ту кнопку.
Relax, I got this.
What's wrong with you? trying to kill me back here?
Not the car!
The cops are still after us!
Don't worry. I know what I'm doing.
О-оу.
Drive, Michael!
Chill out.
О-оу.
It's under control.
Блять, а куда от вертолета сховаться-то?
Get us out of here!
Relax, I got this.
Не зауважиш же ж мені.
Is that it? Are they gone?
Of course they're gone. Who are you talking to? Come on, I'll take you back to the house.
Покуль протягивай гулять. Він просто хоче около багатства. О, ми побач.
So why am I stealing?
Oh, my lips are sealed.
Because if you say that, I'll say the same to you.
I'm not saying anything. I'm just doing my best to keep us out of jail.
Where are you going? I mean, who are you to judge me?
Oh, I'm not judging? No, not at all.
You're loving this, aren't you?
Oh, yeah. Risking prison, getting shot at, love, big love.
Чё? Кончили розмову.
To be you.
Not really, honey. See, I'm a semi-successful crook. You're a bit of a failure, but hey, kudos for trying.
Not that successful if you're in witness protection.
Well, I've got an idea. Why don't we
Obey and
see what Agent
service.
Dave and the FIB think of this lovers on the run.
Подчиняйся и служи.
Are we going home?
You know, I'm sort of thankful for this.
Кого бы это коли не клестимо? Так.
Ah, come on, you're doing your part. Your spending habits have got us into a sticky financial situation.
Так, миновито
so,
это.
cut corners.
Really? My spending habits? I've seen your day trader account.
Ти мне просто запропоновал коллабу.
That's private. I swear, password protection, it ain't even sacred no more.
Give it up. You pissed our savings down the toilet.
Really? Our savings?
Yeah, our savings. I gave up everything to start this life with you, you selfish shit.
Yeah, okay, all right, whatever. Our savings. It's just, look, you can't look at the day-by-day figures. You gotta look at the overall, the net figure.
I've seen the net. It's a fucking disgrace.
Hey, I'm bringing it around.
Sure you are. Just please give me some warning before they repossess.
It ain't that bad.
Couple of weeks. A day even. I don't want to be there.
Honey, we're fine.
Sure. Can we drive home, please? You gonna go or what?
Не кричи на меня.
Get rid of the car, Michael. It can't stay in the driveway. Oh, and yeah. Thank you.
Чё, нельзя я тут машину покинуть? Я думаю, я гараж поставлю. Добре. Поеду на ней тогда. А, тут радио нема. Сумно без радио, до речі. Лос-Сантос Кастом. Mod, you're right. Цікаво. Тут так 10 можно соскочить. Я ведал. И ведал, что тут дырка есть. Michael, I might be a good time to start making some moves on the stock market. Here is select the market. Okay. Buy low, see high. So high. Зрозуміло. Я мені пропонував біток укластись. Не? Опана.
Yeah, who's this?
It's Ricky from Life Invader. I know you're the bro who deactivated Jay, bro.
Oh, I have no idea what you're talking about, pal.
What you do's your business, bro. Anyway, Jay really got a big head once people started calling him a god. Guess you proved he wasn't one. They reintegrated my team in Burundi after the design got signed off. And now, my shares ain't worth dick.
Sorry about that.
I need work, and I thought maybe you could provide. I mean, I'm smart enough to track you down, aren't I?
I guess you are. Hey, I'll be in touch if anything comes up.
Окей. У нас есть новый программист у команды. Блять. Блять, не той мост собрал, да? Не той мост.
Shit!
Jesus, Michael, you look like a bum. Put something nice on.
Какая тут швейная фабрика.
The sooner we can find you a score.
Куда идти-то?
You're wasting my time. Ah.
Get changed to smarter field on your water. Серьезно?
You're boring me, Michael. Just go change.
Капец. Падение ему мое не подобается. Ты охренел? Ты же скажи, что ты незадоволенный, что я на куповской машине приехал. Шкода, что миссия с рыбованием не так мало. Мне больше за все подобалося подбирать команду и планувати. Да, там подається усього 3 місії, ті кольки 4. 4, напевно. Я так само здивлений, що їх так мало було.
Hi, welcome.
Welcome, welcome, бобрам и белкам. Не.
What?
Щось ці тут усе не то. Когда вот примерить нельзя.
There's like lots of stuff everywhere.
Я одно и то же гляжу, да? Быть тут можно весь шукаму поглядеть, не? Что ночью нельзя примерить, это только... Это можно тревор надеть.
Cool.
А штаны где? Холери тут штанов этих. Где будут? Тут, здається, шмотки на літо. А мені треба менавіта костюм надеть, чи що?
Over here if you need me.
Мне пытается только что кто изменял. И надо одразу со шлепками идут. Листеру такое не подобается. Нехована каплестер був задоволений. Бо коли він зараз буде незадоволений, то я не ведаю навіть, що треба одеть.
Mike, I said look nice. Can you put a suit on, please?
Я зрозумів, яка одіння треба. Треба деловий костюм, бо я йду у ювелірку, да? Це для прикриття. Сабурбан, ні. Он Собіс, мабуть, подійде. Не треба, короче, по-багатому виглядати. Я ж зараз пойду у ювелірку оглядати. Він хоче, щоб я виглядав на це саме. Цивільно, скажем так. Треба деловий костюмчик. Справовий. Мені ще далеко їхати, слухай. Ну куди ти поворочуєш, ну?
Oh, shit. Sorry. Look out!
Ось тут не подається, я здобуду то, що мені треба.
No way.
Excuse me.
Come in, look around.
Восен. О, восен. Мне ось гэта падабаецца. 5,5 тысяч.
Make sure you come back.
Oh my god, traffic by Galileo Park was awful.
До Майкла дома далеко ехать. Що я на зустрічну полосу виїхав? Ні, ручник тут в этой гульні. Не то, як мені допомог. Не, хлопче. Хоч у люстерка погляди, коли так робиш. Да блять. Что так заносит-то? На ноль понёк, так. Строги веха труханы. Только камера где башна.
The hell is this place?
Garment factory. I needed a job that didn't require me to do anything apart from paying taxes.
Okay, listen. What do you got?
The Holy Grail. The Union Depository. Now they say it cannot be hit.
Священный Грааль.
Hasn't been yet.
Look, I just owe some Mexican hood a couple $1,000,000 because I wrecked his girlfriend's house. I don't need to go crazy here.
Which Mexican?
Martin Madrazo.
He's not supposed to be very nice.
Oh, when I met him, he was charming. So what do you think?
Oh, let's see. Either we hit a bank in the sticks or we do a store. Which do you like?
Well, store's usually easier, but I gotta make a big take.
Well, gems it is then. Let's go to Vangelico, buy ourselves an engagement ring.
Oh, we're gonna need a crew. I can round up some of the old guys.
There are no old guys. Moses, ironically, he found Jesus. All those Irish crazies, they mostly just disappeared. That crew from the south, they all went down. There was an Eastern European guy making moves in Liberty City, but he went quiet.
All right. Well, we're gonna need a crew. You got any contacts in LS or not?
I've been working with someone, but they're too unpredictable. I'll have to reach out to some other guys.
Майк, ты куда побег? А?
The Jewelers is on Little Portola.
Чого это было?
Your FIB buddies, they know you're back in business?
FIB buddies? What are you talking about?
Машина не едет совсем.
Does it look
Ну куда ты, блядь?
I'm aware of? Well, for starters, they don't put witnesses up in multi-million-dollar mansions in Rockford Hills.
Почему мучить побегнуть налево, ну?
And most witnesses don't transfer five-figure sums into a particular FIB agent's bank account every month. Of course, the money gets moved around and washed through a number of fronts, but the trail is there. Deposits and withdrawals, the same sum.
Это был такой, что Вестер иснует только у головы Майкла.
Middle-aged divorcee,
Так, так.
unremarkable career, except for one incident, the shooting of a notorious stick-up man, Michael Townley.
Yeah, all right. Lester, I'm very impressed.
Look, we can talk about this another time. Take these glasses.
My eyesight's fine.
They're fitted with a camera and a radio relay. I'm gonna run the operation from the car while you're in the store getting what we need.
А что, у ювелирку в Труханах не пускают?
Okay, let's get this done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we need shots of the security features, the alarm system, ventilation, cameras.
Sir, thank you.
The alarm keypad is on the left when you come in, on the wall by the side door. Glasses are live, shoot away.
Що мені треба?
The alarm, the vents, and the cameras, come on!
Ну, ось тобі камера, бляха. Де Вінс? Де ляг? Ось ще камера тобі тримай. Є ще камера. Де вентиляція? Ось вентиляція, бачиш? Є ще вентиляція.
Alarms, vents, cameras, remember?
Alarms. На конт Alarms не видно. Это Fire Alarms по тобі, ні? Що поглядів, ні? Що не хочу? Що? Тише, що?
Hey, beautiful. I need to pick up a little something for the woman in my life. Well, one of them.
Sir, I'm sure we can help you. Tell me about her. What's her taste?
Cheap, thank God. This ain't my wife we're talking about.
Или это будет $300 думаю, пустять.
Too much. I'm thinking maybe 10 grand.
Our rings start at 8, our pendants start at 12.
All right. So these things built to last, or am I just paying for the Vangelico logo here?
No. We use perfect clarity jewels. 18 karat gold, 950 platinum. Nothing but the best.
All right. I think you just made a sale. I'm gonna take a look around, think about it, come back to you, baby. Don't go anywhere.
I understand.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You got it.
Okay, now that you've got that out of the way, can you take the photographs? Alarm, vents, and cameras, get some shots!
А, треба робити снимки.
Alright, I got an idea of their CCTV setup. Can you shoot an air vent in the alarm keypad? Alright, what do we got here? Surveillance and ventilation. Now all I'm after is the alarm. All I need is a shot of the alarm keypad. A shot of the alarms come through. Come back to me.
Have a wonderful day.
Капець. Я б сказав, що треба менавіта снимки робити.
So, we good?
Я думаю, він відео здимає і все, що йому ж треба. Я забув, що це 2014 год, тоді відео не було.
Drive us around the block. We gotta find a way up to the roof.
Куди? Сюди? Чи куди?
Look, there. Some construction.
Yeah, if they're gutting the place, I might be able to get to the roof.
Каже, об'їдь вокруг кварталу.
Well, after your death/disappearance, there wasn't much holding us together.
Yeah. You see him at all? After the incident?
I saw a ladder. Climb up it and see if you can get to the roof. I kept tabs on him for a while. Needed to know that he didn't blame me.
Yeah, where'd he go?
North, south, east, west, wherever there were liquor stores to turn over and hitchhikers to disappear.
Where did they bury him?
They buried him? Not as far as I know.
He's probably a John Doe then, right? What do you think? OD, shootout, maybe just a car crash, right? I'm on the roof.
I need to know where the air coming out of those vents in Vangelico originates. There should be a unit above the store.
Hey, did you get my text? Call me, okay?
Oh, yeah. Anonymous charred remains on the highway. Anonymous charred remains on the highway. They only knew what a sick puppy they had on their hands.
Як вони забиваються об стіни, це жах
Hey, I see
некий.
the vents.
Yeah, I'm looking at the relay. Can you get any higher? I've pulled up a satellite image. It looks like the highest point is on the northwest side. Get a shot from there. Right, you're well placed to take the photo of the system now. Okay, capture an image of the system and we're done. That's the shot. You've covered the vents on the roof now. Okay, that'll do. Now come back to me before someone spots you up there.
Will do.
У гэтых самых у траханах тут бы было лазить простей по гэтому даху. Давай, рубанися вниз.
Come on, Michael, let's go.
Я не умею хутко съезжать. А що, у їх будівництво не аховується?
Here, take your glasses back. let's go back to the garment factory. I called ahead and told him to start setting up the information.
Garment Factory.
So, what did you see? Nothing that'll cause undue complications. Yeah, it looked like a simple setup. Cameras broadcasting to a remote server. We might be able to wipe them. Security guard on the door. He won't want to die for rich assholes to rub his nose in it. Good. The alarm system is linked to the door lock. We'll get a good window if someone talented hacks it. Anything else? Well, the more valuable merchandise is in the cabinets in the center of the store, by the register, so I'd start there. Glass in the cabinets wasn't bulletproof, means you can smash them easy enough, but the stones will be in the safe at night. So, we go in when it's open then? Right. Once we melt down the gold, recut the rocks, that's an okay score. Yeah, shame we can't go in after hours, man. Those vents look promising. I might be able to flip that another way. I'm listening. Wait till we get back. About the crew. Yeah? There's this kid who's been helping me. Maybe we could cut him in. I don't work with amateurs. He ain't an amateur. Or if he is, he's a gifted amateur about to turn pro. He's a good kid, Lester. You know what they say. It's your funeral. One of them, at least.
Так, ну что, давайте починать наше перше обрабование.
Workers have their uses. Okay, let me set this up. Nice to see the methods haven't changed. Well, we gotta figure out what we're doing somehow. All the crews, the rolls, prep work. Don't want to leave evidence behind on a hard drive. So yeah, the methods don't change. Right, not for a pro. Well, mapping out the options, showing you all the angles, that's my area of professional expertise. Making decisions, that is your domain, my friend. Here. There's two ways I see of doing this. We go in smart, or we go in smart. Remember, friends, it would be smart if we put a little knock on gas in the air system and hit the cabin so everyone's out. You'll have to force the gas first, but crowd control won't slow you down, and that might improve the take.
Вітанки, вітанки. Дякую, дякую за підписочку. За фоллоу.
You go in dumb and you'll need your famous way with people and 4 carbine rifles. We can't buy them and risk them getting traced. No, we've got to find some in circulation. It's awkward, it's real awkward, but this is the gun favored by LSPD tactical teams, so one of their vans is probably a good place to
Хейка,
look.
дороги.
A hacker can disable the
Вітанки, пан
cameras. The length of
Машнинський.
time depends on their ability. The alarm will be operating on the same window.
Видатного стрима, дякую, дякую.
Is more or less the same for both options. The driver you pick will, of course, source some bikes. You come out of the store.
Давайте,
and make your
покольку
way
вы
through the new
быстро
subway tunnel they're
пришли.
digging off the Del Perro freeway. You lose the cops in there and meet a truck in the LS River. All right, I want my guy Franklin on the getaway. He can handle
Хутенько
a bike.
бегаем.
All right, if you vouch for him, I'll take the risk. So how do you want to do this? Run in through the front door or try to play it smart?
Давайте. Худенько голосуем. Хвилинка у вас есть. Потекли голосы, потекли. Так, давайте.
You gotta make a call on this.
Ти покинув можливість голосувати за DICE. Можно купить шмат голосов. Все куплено, так. І, здається, у нас є переможця.
Well, what do you think?
Зараз, почекай, тут визначаються люди. Ну, все видовочно. И погнали.
Ah, still a hothead? Well, some things never change. Select
Так, ты кто
personnel with
такие?
that in mind.
Драйвер.
As ever, the better they are, the bigger the cut. Now the driver, they'll source the bikes, lead you out through the tunnels.
Ну, не відаю. Ніякої гожачів добрі характеристики, треба його брати, напевно. Драйвінг скіл.
Ah, okay. This one's new blood. I've seen him drive, but I haven't seen him under pressure. Guns. Yeah, it might be hot and heavy in there. This guy, I'll keep it from going bad. McReary? He was part of a well-known Liberty City stick-up crew. Small world.
McCreary.
Ah, Norm. Came across as a bit of an idiot, but could be useful. Hacker. Back office, but this is the person who will determine how long you get inside.
This guy, Ricky. I met him at the Life Invader office. He may not be that good, but he's enthusiastic. Let's take a chance on him.
If you're happy, I'll start making the arrangements.
Что, самую дешевую команду взяли? Погнали. Так. Пик Крю. Get Карабин
Okay,
Rifles.
I'll look into how you can find a TAC team and get their weapons, and I'll be in touch.
Yes, good. I'll call you when everything's ready. You'll need to pitch it to the guys.
Whoa, what? My rep don't count for nothing no more?
You're a dead man, Michael. I'll call you.
Ты мне по телефону?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, man, it's me, Michael.
What's going on?
Listen, I gotta get hold of the money for that house we pulled down, so well, I'm getting a crew together for, you can guess. The pay will be awful, and the risk will be high, but you might learn something if you're interested.
Man, that's not exactly a great sales pitch, dog, but I guess I gotta start somewhere.
Thank you. Maybe one day you could put together your own deals, your own jobs. So, there's still some preparation I gotta do. Sit tight for a while. My buddy Lester will get in touch with the details.
Так, і які у нас препарації? Приготування. Это Инфернус? Які у нас приготування? I'm on CPT Secure Communication Channel. There got tactical item. Треба скрасти грузовик. Монтажник. Погнали. Ага, вон он едет. Бляха. А як я туди потраплю-то? Він на гэтым мості? О. Пошанцевало. То вось гэта ФБРовский? А ён кули непробиваемый? Добре, добре, зрозумів. Не отрималося скрыться. Физурки, бляха. Блять. Вертолет прилетел. Чё, зараз отрываемся. Блять, я не паусюль. То сгубите меня хоть на секундочку. Покуль вертолет, если я не скрысь. Блять. Покуль вертолет, если не скрысь. Да бля, ну что их спаунить передо мной заусёды? Всё, дорвались, не? Оторвались, окажу. Блять, им все одно. О, дорвались, нарешті. Кинулся ветошью, ну. Только до чего мехать уже некий инфоспид Мосфон тут гуляю. А что ты наробил? Что тебе аж вертолет гонить? Я сказал быть этой. Фургон фурбар, який мне потребны для миссии. Для обрабования ювелирки. Хлопцы, а вы что, шукаете когось? А що здарився? Я туди далі поїхав. На ось такой же машине, як у меня, только целый. Where are you? Where I disappear? Да, блять, стал тут это автобус, едь! А Мальцевую привет.
All right, Lester. I got us the TAC team rifles.
All right, then this score is ready to go. Come inside and meet the crew.
Darnell Bros.
All right. I want to say thanks for being a part of our little operation. We're all professionals. We all know the score. We're going to execute the plan. We're going to move quick, and we're going to keep cool. Anybody gets pinched. This meeting never took place. We don't know each other. Is that clear?
Now, we've looked very, very carefully at the plans. We considered something more complicated, but given the location, the weakness of staffing, and the exit points, we believe that a more simple plan will work best.
We're going to hack in, disable security, and waltz right in through the front door. The security guard should be to our left. We neutralize him. 15 seconds later, you come in. I want extreme pressure applied to the staff. The customers are to be calmly subdued. I want one guy on crowd control, while you and I empty out the merchandise from the cabinets. We're in and out in 90 seconds, guys. Franklin will handle your getaway. I'm leaving on foot. Any questions?
Good luck, everyone.
Let's go. F, come on, get in.
Я за Франклина гуляю.
Ricky, I hope you can manage the truck with the bikes. Other three, you're riding with me. Franklin, you're driving the van. Norm, Kareem, you're in the back. I'm up front, all right?
Где-то тут и пошел. Зараз поглядим, як эта команда більше дасть ради. Ну так самих даних брав.
All right, listen up. The four of us in this van, we're about to become accomplices in a major crime. I gotta be able to trust you with my life, my liberty, my reputation. Same goes the other way. A crew will only work when there's trust. So, in the interest of fostering that type of relationship in the short time we've got, let me introduce myself. I'm Michael. I've done this type of thing before, more than a few times, and I've made good money doing it. Enough to spend a long time not doing it. I hope it goes without saying, I know a lot of people. Anyone yaps about me or any of you, you'll be dealt with. Got it? Good. Now, Frank, over to you.
Yeah, man, I'm Franklin, dawg. And, I'm new to these kind of planned out detail robberies. I done my share of small jobs, you know, liquor stores, warehouses, boosting cars.
Я сюда и планувал
And I met
повернуть.
this dude right here, Michael, man. And he turned me on to this thing.
So, who's next?
Michael DeSanta, formerly Michael Townley, right? Can I just say, you're the reason I got in the game, man. You're my inspiration, the original outlaw.
I don't know what you're talking about. So stop talking.
Be cool, man. Your secret's safe with me. Us.
So yeah, this is Kareem Dens. He's cleaning out the cabinets and taking charge of the getaway. I think it's fair to say you're kind of new to this, right? But I think you can handle it. We need to get there, bro. Drive.
This is it.
Let's move.
Щойно почалась эта миссия. Я хотел послухать их диалог.
Go get the bikes. Let's go. Ready?
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment. Please don't make me ruin all the great work your plastic surgeons have been doing. On the floor, now. Let's do this. Come on. I got
Як брать, Нолик.
Rose, I wouldn't stay in there too long, okay? This alarm is gonna go.
point? You gotta be kidding me! Why did I employ a hacker who can't run antivirus software?
Shit! Oh, shit!
Lady, stop, or you're dead!
Oh, oh, God.
Come on! Come on! We're almost out of here! Is anyone picking up what I dropped?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, maybe 3, 2, 1. Get out of there!
Time's up, we gotta go!
You gotta go, you gotta go! Get out of
Yo, so for the last time, move it. Man, get the fuck out of my face. Oh.
You forget 1,000 things every day, pal. Make sure this is one of them. I'll see you at the river. Go!
Let's go, come on!
Stick to me, people! Here we go!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
If there's a turn coming up, you gotta tell us, man. Hey,
Ледь поспели все скрасти.
I can do with some damn warnings before we turn.
Shit! It's going out from under me!
I'm driving blind back here.
Главное, гроши з його забрали.
Man, that's what happens when you working with fools.
I guess we're all learning on the job. Okay, keep going through here. Hold on, I've lost my bearings. I don't know where to go. You gotta hold on.
You lost? Man, you kidding me? Where'd Michael find you?
Wait, it was, screw it. We go this way.
You better be right.
What the fuck? My bike don't like this mud.
Hey, Kareem, these the wrong bikes to be using down here. Couldn't you have got us some scramblers?
You asked for bikes. I got fast bikes. No one said scramblers.
Для спидгана ее не годится, коротей. Не подоходит. То есть, типа, помёг? Так, да, это самый стрелок помёг. Главное, з його лут забрать было. Ну, у нас было трое на мотоциклах, двое засталося. Треба було ралійні мотоцикли брати. Мабуть, мабуть.
Hang in there, boys. I got this covered. Keep going. I'll get to work on the cops with these bullbugs. Get your ass back to the station. More cops! Look out!
Hey, wouldn't be a robbery without a car chase, bruh.
Two bikes? What the hell happened?
Man, dude crashed before he got in the tunnels.
Ah, shit! I should have paid for a better gunman. What happened to his part of the score?
I managed to pick it up.
All right then, good work. F,
А заробок по Делікс лежить скілов? Так. Я не, ну, там було, коли бігаєш, там, чим більше скілов, тим більше не просять. Go to the walk-up. Это куди?
Man, I thought I was gonna be stuck to that bike.
Yeah, I thought you were gonna be stuck under a cop car.
There gotta be more dudes waiting around that way. We did not just get away with that shit, did we?
You know what? I think we did.
Ah, man.
Я самых дешевых брал. Там типу 7% я не просили от агульного кушу. Чи кольки. Там зараз напишуть кольки. А там были варианты еще на 14, на 10. Куда тут ехать? А, вот сюда. Я просто не зауважил, куда.
All right, people. We need to split up. They're gonna be looking for a crew.
I'll wire your cuts when the rocks have been sold.
That shit was crazy, dog. So what now?
We get out of here. Keep our heads down.
Hey, you did good, kid. What'd I tell you, Lester, huh? Mm-hmm. All right, look, everybody take off. Hey, Franklin. Listen, Lester and I got some things we gotta clean up. I want you to stop by the house.
Там айтишник так само накосячив. Так, він дав мені мало часу, але ми поспіли все одно. На опошні секунди опошню сказав я.
Back in action.
Він там кричав 4, 3, 2, 1, уходите, уходите. Так, гляди, ми сказали 4,5 мільйони. З їх 2,5 віддали мадрасу. З їх ще Майкл собі забрав мільйон. Тобто Майкл, отримувати собі 3,5 забрав. Френкіну дав 240. Лестеру 280. Тобто, що спрацював Лестер, а Френклін собі все забрав, амаль. Ой. Ой-ой-ой. Ой-ой-ой.
That ain't what I was looking for. Not then, not now, not ever.
I know it ain't important. Just let me take you somewhere nice, all right?
Where are you? Are you in a strip club?
Ми нечекано опинулися в обувной крамі.
Tanisha, I gotta go, all right? I'ma change, I promise. You won't even recognize me.
А, да. Ну, блин, такое на вот... У ТикТок не выходишь. Meet me at my place. Your card щось там. Твич лагает циточки. Мы опынулись в обувной краме. Твич не лагая. Я не ведаю, ну, на усілякий випадок. Лізь такое не показывать. Мне выдается. У нас еще гонки есть, не? А, гонки только ночью. Что ж, ну на этом, я думаю, можно и скончить. Вось. А где гроші, до речі? Чому у нас тільки 1400? І нам позднее переведили гроші, чи як? Meet me at my place. Your card will be in your account as soon as Lester done some creative accounting. Чому Лестер собі так мало грошей взяв, я не розумію. Усі гроші забрав собі Майкл. Чому? Що він для гэтага зробив? Ну, Лестеру треба адмить гроші, так він собі забрав 200... Так мало. Навіть менше, ніж Франклін. Я ведаю, що дадуть після. Але чому всі гроші Майкл забирає, я не розумію. Тобто скрали 4,5 мільйони, з них 3,5 собі Майкл забрав. 3,5, це нормаль 75%. Больше 75. Чому його гэта саме подельники на куски не порвали після гэтага? Добре, працягнем тады ў наступны раз. Заўтра у нас будзе гэты самы. Як ён завецца-то? А, Лявончик наш любимый. Будем рогалик гулять. Бай-бай. Дякую за рейтики, дякую за те, що були. Усім добраніч, гуляйте у добрі відеогульні і побачимося. Покуль, анігілятор MG. Анігілятор MG.